Hey guys, it's Xwayne, and we finally had enough chests to get this new character up to 70. This is my Ice Sorceress. I call her Ice Q 2, not Ice Cube, not Ice T, just Ice Q 2. There is an Ice Q somewhere. But, anyways, this is a rebuild of my Ice Sorceress, so this will be another episode journey of the Ice Sorceress journey. And as you can see, she's got literally bare nothing. So this might be a two-part here of the build, because she's basically from scratch. But my Fire Sorceress has been building a few items. She already had this one ready, this helmet. And it was transfigured, so the only reason it was built for sort of cold ice one was because the transfigure gave the cold damage. But it has everything else I need, which is barrier, resource. Thorns are kind of nice. I'm not too worried about the aspects of this right now. I will go through that later. But if you look at the helmet, it's actually pretty neat. I like it. It's almost like a goat. It's pretty cool, actually. You should call her the goat. It's kind of funny. Anyways, I did have this one that was built, which was, I don't think it was a cold damage weapon, but this one's being built, worked on right now. So she is going to go with a staff. I thought about using one of these for her boots, because it does give, because when I build either lightning, fire, or cold, and I go all out to try and build that element, and it seems to work. This one gives the chill effects. I like it because of the chill effects. 14% increased damage. So we're going to go with that. We'll probably change it later. As you know, in these journey builds, I do change a lot of stuff. And this is the very beginning of the build, so I've never videoed this before of the beginning, but until those are ready, we're going to probably go with this, which is going to put her at a lot of damage, which is good. This is a completed staff. It has the 1 star, so that was a big key, is the stars. Well, already puts her at 45. A good little tip before you transfigure these weapons and gear, be sure to socket it before, because I have come across where you don't socket it, and then you transfigure and it won't let you anymore. I've removed some gems so I don't use them. But I'll probably worry about gems for that later. Right now we're gonna just gear her for now and go with that. See what happens. So as you can see, my chest up here, this gold is for lightning. All this is lightning build stuff. Then fire, and then a few extras, and then obviously the cold. I have some other helmets in here in case I want to build some other versions. I do have this that looks pretty nifty, but it's just not anywhere near to what this is going to do. I believe this was the amulet. It already has the aspect I need because yeah. Resource generation. And I do like to go with all damage multiplier and damage over time, because damage over time just kind of ticks away at the boss, the enemies, and seems to work out. Some of this stuff not sure what. Oh, because I just traded out, but so that one is being built on. I don't know if it's going to be better than the one I have now, but we're going to find out later. As for rings, I had another helm. See, this one I'm working on too. So a lot of this stuff I'm working on. I think I just grabbed the regular chest piece because we will work on that later. And then oh yeah, the gloves. That's what was I had a now this is where in a previous video I showed that they changed unique, so now Frostburn isn't the way it used to be, where you get the chance, but now it has a random stats, but you still get the freeze, which I like. But I found this little item right here, which is basically Frostburn. It gives you the freeze effects. I won't really need the shock skills too much, but so that basically eliminates me having to use actually Frostburns, but Frostburns isn't the same anyway, so it'll allow to use a different set of gloves. And I believe I had saved a few things here, which this one was actually looking pretty good. There was that one. Oh yeah, to the frozen orb. So I do like this one though a little bit better, but this has a damage over time, which I like. Has attack speed. This one just gives me a little more of what I like, so we're gonna go with that one. There was this one up here actually. Now this is one of those that I could just go and change kind of in the cube a little bit. Oh, I forgot that she's it's a new character I haven't set tennis to. As you can see, she has done almost nothing here, but when I'm out there playing, I'll do some of these quests and I'll get some of that stuff done. I still got to do the Sorceress Magi. I enjoy the story and the quest, so it's kind of nice. And the thing is, we cannot still get. So obviously, we can't use the cube at the moment because obviously I didn't do the quest. So I'm gonna have to have my fire sorcerers work on a few items for her more. So we're going to take those gloves. Where was it? This one's. We might work on those. What else do we need? We need pants, which I think I put some pants here. Just some pants I found. Found this chest piece too, which is so this. I'm wondering if I have another set of pants in here. Don't. So we're just going to go with that one. Drop it on. That one's going to be worked on. I did have these other ones that had. And this staff that looked pretty good too. These are all new building items. Oh, we need some rings. So I will end this part here, and I'm going to continue this in a moment, but thanks for watching, guys. We're going to continue to build this ice source, Ice Q2. Thanks for watching, guys.